Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use reference images in MidJourney V4. So first things first, you have to go to MidJourney or midjourney.com. You have to click the first link or the second link and you need to create an account. MidJourney is not for free. You need to subscribe from any of their plan in order for you to generate image here. So once you have subscribed to their plan, all you need to do is tap on create and then upload the image or your reference image. And MidJourney will show you V1, 2, 3, 4, now 5, 6, 7, and you just have to choose the one that you want. So basically, you need to create an account first, subscribe to their plan. However, I cannot do it for now, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. So for example, these are the picture. And let's just say these pictures are from reference image. So let's just say these are real pictures of human. So once you have uploaded this, then you can select V4 and MidJourney will show you different results that same or that looks like the real or the original photo. So that's how easy it is. Just upload the picture, the reference image. MidJourney will show you different results. You can choose a V4 and basically that's it. So for example, this one right here, to have uploaded the reference image, click V4 and then MidJourney will show you different pictures, options, and results. And now I'm going to show you if you want to subscribe to any of the plan here in MidJourney. This is what it looks like. So if you want to subscribe to this plan, you can unlock these features. And once you have decided to subscribe, you just have to click subscribe and basically, you can pay from any of the payment method I'm going to show you right now. So all you have to do is to just proceed, make sure that you have enough balance. And if you go back, and then you can unlock features here in MidJourney. And basically, that's how easy it is to use reference images in MidJourney V4. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.